If you want to connect your Instagram account to a Facebook page, this video will guide you through the step-by-step process, and by the end, you'll know how to easily link your Instagram to any Facebook page. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app and tap on the three horizontal line at the top right corner to access menu. And note that this option might be slightly rearranged due to recent updates. Now, if your Instagram account is not set to professional or business account, make sure to set it on either one. Now to begin, scroll down, tap on sharing and reuse. After this, scroll down again and you'll find See Apps, tap on it. At the top, you'll find Facebook. Now, hit continue. Here, you have to log into your Facebook and this will simply connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. Just tap login to Facebook. Now, another method is go to your home page and here you'll find Edit Profile, tap on it. After this, scroll down and you'll see Public Business Information. Under it, you'll find Page, tap on it. Now, hit continue. As you can see, this also directs you to the same page like we did before. Now, tap Login to Facebook and this will help you connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.